Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Bead Art Kit is probably one of the most engaging and creative ways for children to express themselves, offering a tactile and visually stimulating experience that can lead to hours of focused fun and artistic exploration. This kit provides a wonderful opportunity for kids to develop fine motor skills, color recognition, and patience as they meticulously place each bead to bring their unique designs to life, making it a fantastic alternative to screen time that encourages hands-on creativity and imaginative play. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Big Gem Diamond Painting Kits. Unleash your creativity with this amazing diamond art kit. It's a fun and easy way for kids to create sparkling designs. This kit combines two exciting craft experiences into one. You can create beautiful stickers and dazzling sun catchers. Add a touch of magic to your belongings. Use the vibrant gem art stickers to decorate backpacks, journals, and more. Designed for easy crafting, this kit features larger gems that are simple to pick up and place. It's perfect for beginners and young artists. Enjoy hours of creative fun without the mess. The self-adhesive gems make crafting a breeze, with no glue required. Looking for a special gift? This enchanting craft kit is a wonderful choice for birthdays or any occasion, sparking imagination and fun. What we like? This kit offers two exciting craft experiences in one package, combining diamond art stickers and sun catchers. If you're looking for a gift that provides double the creative fun and is perfect for younger children who enjoy sparkly, easy-to-handle gems, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for sparking imagination and creating personalized decorations. What people say. The beads are easy to use and the colors are vibrant. My daughter loved this kit. She spent hours creating different designs. It comes with a good variety of beads and accessories, perfect for beginners. Number 4. Made by Me Bead Pets by Horizon Group USA. Get ready to craft adorable bead pets. This kit is packed with everything you need to bring your imagination to life. Dive into a world of color with over 640 pony beads. You can create and personalize your very own unique bead pet keychains. Follow 10 different project guides to make cute animals, or design your own custom creations. The possibilities are endless. Attach your creations to backpacks, lunchboxes, or keys with the included durable metal key rings and clips. Take your bead animals everywhere you go. Keep everything organized and ready for your next crafting session with the multipurpose storage case. It even doubles as a convenient beading workstation. This comprehensive kit includes beads, key rings, clips, cords, and easy-to-follow instructions to get you started right away. What we like? This set allows kids to create their own adorable bead pet keychains with a wide variety of beads and accessories. If you have a child who loves making personalized accessories for their backpack or keys, and you appreciate a kit that includes a convenient storage case for easy organization and travel, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for budding designers who want to bring their creations everywhere. What people say. The beads are a good size for little hands to pick up and place. The kit comes with a good variety of colors and shapes. It's a great way for kids to develop fine motor skills and creativity. Number 3. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this amazing jewelry making kit. It's packed with 520 colorful snap beads in various shapes and sizes, plus extra hairbands, all in a convenient pink storage box. This kit is more than just a toy, it's a perfect gift to boost creative thinking and practical skills. Watch her imagination soar as she designs unique necklaces, bracelets, and rings. Designed for easy play, these beads simply snap together and pull apart. There's no need for threads, making it perfect for little hands aged 3 to 7 and up. She can easily create new designs and then take them apart to make something completely different. The possibilities are endless with this fun and engaging toy. Crafted from high-quality, child-safe plastic, this set meets international standards. It's the ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion to bring joy and fun. What we like? This jewelry-making kit features pop beads that easily snap together and can be taken apart, making it perfect for very young children. If you're looking for a simple, mess-free craft activity for toddlers and preschoolers aged 3 to 7 that helps develop fine motor skills and creative thinking, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for creating necklaces, bracelets, and rings without the need for adult supervision or complex instructions. What people say. The beads are a good size for little hands to pick up and place. The kit comes with a good variety of colors and shapes, allowing for lots of creativity. The finished product looks great and is a fun way to display their artwork. Number 2. XL Fuse Beads Kit, 11000 PCS 5mm Melty Beads. Introducing the XL Fuse Beads Kit, a vibrant collection of 11,000 colorful 5mm Melty beads. It's designed to spark imagination and provide hours of creative fun for your child. This kit comes complete with 160 full-sized patterns. Your child can easily place them under the clear pegboards to create beautiful designs quickly and effortlessly. These Melty beads offer endless hours of entertainment. They encourage creative play, artistic expression, and help develop fine motor skills and coordination. Safety is paramount. Our 5mm melting beads are crafted from 100% food-grade EVA, ensuring they are non-toxic and completely safe for children. Clear instructions are included for optimal use. Packaged in an attractive box, this iron beads kit makes an ideal gift for any boy or girl. Surprise your loved ones with a present they'll adore for birthdays or holidays. We're confident you and your child will love this fuse bead kit. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a hassle-free refund. We're here to help. What we like. With over 11,000 beads and 160 patterns, this kit offers an immense amount of creative potential for fuse bead art. If you have a child who loves detailed pixel art projects and you want a kit that provides endless hours of engaging, screen-free activity, this is a top contender. It's perfect for fostering artistic expression and coordination, and the high quantity of beads ensures long-lasting fun. What people say. The beads are very vibrant and colorful, making the finished crafts look beautiful. The kit includes a good variety of bead shapes and sizes, allowing for creative designs. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. Goody King Arts and Crafts Fuse Beads Kit. Let your imagination soar with this super set of 5,500 beads in 22 vibrant colors. With multiple pegboards and a pattern booklet, you'll have endless ideas for pixel art and crafts. Craft with confidence. Our bead kit is made from high-quality, safe materials, perfect for kids to express their creativity without any concerns. Surprise your child with this amazing bead set, ideal for birthdays and holidays. They can even create accessories to show off their unique designs. Keep all your colorful pieces tidy with the included storage container. No more lost beads, just easy access for your next creative adventure. This versatile kit offers hours of entertainment for various crafts. It's perfect for keeping kids engaged on rainy days or during family bonding time. What we like. This kit is designed for creating pixel art with fuse beads, offering a good balance of bead quantity and patterns for diverse projects. If you're looking for a versatile craft set that includes essential accessories like ironing paper and pegboards, and you value easy organization with a storage container, this is a great choice. It's suitable for kids aged 4 and up who enjoy transforming simple beads into colorful designs. What people say. This kit is great for developing fine motor skills and creativity in children. The beads are colorful and come in a variety of shapes, making it easy for kids to create unique designs. It includes all the necessary materials to get started right away, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.